Sunny here from BFF Vlogging. Today we are going to be launching Cooking Club, but more on that later. First, let's welcome in our guest, Katie Riley. This is Katie here. You see her? She has her own channel called Katie Riley.
We'll leave a link down below.
Yeah, leave a link down below. So now we'll talk to you a bit about Cooking Club.
Every month we are going to be making Cooking Club videos for you guys and your families to enjoy.
Today we are going to be making peach and berry smoothies, and we're also going to be making cookies, and we're going to be based off this recipe but with fudge and yummy.
So let's get started.
Remember to wash your hands
so they're nice and clean for the baking. You will need 100 grams of margarine,
125 grams of sugar,
Need 150 grams of self-raising flour,
1 egg,
half a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
we are using fudge chunks, but you can use whatever you like.
is
Chocolate!
We are using milk chocolate today, but you can use white chocolate
Or
or dark chocolate.
or anything.
The equipment you will need is a large baking bowl.
You will also need 2 baking trays,
Some grease-proof paper,
An electric whisk,
a wooden spoon.
Afterwards, you'll need a killing rack
You will need an oven.
to cook the food in. Also need a fridge.
for them to cool in. The first thing you're going to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Next, you line 2 baking trays with greaseproof paper.
Put the margarine and the egg together in the bowl.
So your bowl should now look a bit like this.
With the egg and the butter.
So now we are going to mix them together. You can use just a normal whisk if you want, but we are using an electric whisk today.
Yeah.
Now it should look a bit like this.
Well, next, you add in the sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you start whisking again.
Then we are going to work in the flour with a wooden spoon.
Doesn't that mean it? Top tip, mix it in a figure of 8. So you're moving it all in and getting every bit everywhere. So that all the butter, sugar, flour and vanilla are all mixed together. If you're happy with your cookie dough, then you can add in your optional extras. Ours are fudge and chocolate.
Once you are happy that you have mixed in all your ingredients, you can now put it in a fridge for 30 minutes. While our cookies are in the fridge, we're going to make our smoothie. You need some fruit. We are today using some peach, strawberries and raspberries. You can use as much as you want.
Or as little as you
Or
want.
as little as you want. So whatever kind of fruits you want. So yeah.
Bananas, apples.
This smoothie recipe serves 3 to 4 people.
You will need 120 ml of milk of your choice.
We are using semi-skimmed milk. Next, you need 120 ml of Greek yogurt.
The next part, you're basically just going to put all the ingredients into a blender and then boom, you have a smoothie. So we now have all the ingredients in the blender, but remember to put on the lid before you blend it, otherwise it will splash flat everywhere, which would not be good. So we're gonna put it on, and then let's get blending.
I thought I had yogurt in my hair.
Sorry. Once you're satisfied with your smoothie and then it doesn't have any lumps in it, you can take it off and have a drink. Right, okay, so we are now going to get I got like strawberry. Right, just for a minute.
Okay.
Make sure that it's not too lumpy. Always blend the rest. Blend more than what you think you'll ever need to blend.
That's it.
Oh, that one's okay.
Let's try it.
That's okay. I get that green.
Wait, it's giving me
Wait, sweet. It's really
It's not green.
green.
They are.
I mean, that's strawberry.
blend more than you think you'll need to blend. Because
Yeah,
I got a big
strawberry.
lumps.
I'm about to eat the strawberry.
Very refreshing.
Yeah. We're going to enjoy the rest later with our cookies. The link will be to the recipe book in the description box below. If we haven't already said that.
Don't think we have. Let me said that. Behind the scenes.
This video will go viral of 3 girls drinking smoothies.
Yeah, so we're about to do something with the cookies, I think.
So we've now taken the cookie dough out of the fridge and they're all ready to mold. Next, you are going to get the cookie dough and take out a wee bit of it and put it on your baking trays. And you're going to mold it into about 60 different pieces.
We have finished our batter. We are going to put it in the oven. And if you're under the age of 10, please make sure that you have an adult supervision to do this.
So now I'm going to put this into it. So we're going to put it in. There. Now we are going to leave this and we're going to wash up 15 minutes. And then
15 minutes!
now we are going to start washing up. So now they have cooked for around 15 minutes and they are looking really yummy. So make sure you have some oven gloves and you can take them out safely. So be careful not to burn yourself.
Oh, they look really good. The fudge is really good. Like the fudge is literally just melting into
So
them.
this is what they look like.
The first batch?
That is
Oh, they smell like fairy cake.
Right, by the way guys, make sure you don't put them down on a surface that is completely clear. Make sure you put them down on a cooling rack.
So you've just got
A wire rack like this. Put them down like so.
And then I'm going to take out the second batch. Oh, these look more chocolatey and more
Oh,
melty.
they look really like the fudge is melted. Right, and then you want to close it.
So we are now going to leave for around 10 minutes until
10 minutes.
we can eat them. So we are now having our cookies and the leftover smoothie. So we're gonna give our verdict on the cookies.
They are good.
Mm-hmm.
I would totally recommend these.
Yeah. Really nice with fudge pieces and chocolate. They're really nice. We made them quite thin and small. By the way, guys, make them quite small, so not too big, because they expand lots when you're in the oven.
You don't want them joining together like ours did, and then you have to cut them free.
Yeah. Yeah. So you saw what ours were like when they went into the oven. So that's kind of the size you're aiming for, because they're a really nice size.
And mine is slightly broken on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Lots of air bubbles.
It's really tasty. These are cookies made from scratch.
Yeah. Definitely recommend them. They taste like once you buy from a shop.
And they're nice and crunchy. I give these out of 10, I give these a 10.
Definitely really nice.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and also to Casey's channel. We'll see you all later. Bye!